In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a camera ticket online in Chicago. If you received a red light camera ticket or an automated speed enforcement ticket in Chicago, the easiest way to handle it is through the City of Chicago's online payment portal. The process is straightforward and you can complete it in just a few minutes as long as you have the right information ready before you begin. First, go to the City of Chicago payment portal for parking, red light, and automated speed enforcement tickets. This is the official place to pay online and it accepts major credit and debit cards. Using the official city site is important because it helps ensure your payment is processed securely and applied to the correct violation. Once you're on the payment portal, choose the option for paying a parking, red light camera, or automated speed enforcement ticket. This will take you into the section where you can search for the violation you need to pay. Make sure you select the correct category so you don't end up in the wrong part of the system. Next, search for your ticket using either your vehicle's license plate number or the exact citation number. If you have the notice with you, using the citation number is usually the fastest option. If not, the license plate search can still help you find the ticket. Be careful to enter the information exactly as it appears, since even a small typo can prevent the system from locating your record. After the ticket appears, select the ticket or tickets you want to pay and continue to the secure checkout page. Take a moment here to review the details before moving on. It's a good idea to confirm that the ticket information matches your vehicle and the violation you're trying to resolve. From there, enter your billing and payment information to complete the transaction. Follow the prompts carefully, and once the payment is submitted, wait for the confirmation screen. If available, save or print your confirmation for your records so you have proof that the payment was successfully made. If you'd rather use a different city site, you can also search and pay through the City of Chicago parking portal, and if you believe the ticket was issued by mistake, you may want to pause before paying and instead use the city's e-hearing system to check the status, view violation videos, or request a hearing. Finally, if paying the full amount at once is difficult, the city may offer payment plan options as long as the vehicle has not been towed. That can be a helpful alternative if you need more flexibility, and that's how to pay a camera ticket online in Chicago.